Hi guys, welcome to another video from Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove your rear light, your tail light. This is for the Avant version of the Audi A6, S6 or RS6, and this is the C5 platform. So let's take a look. Okay, something that's worth doing very quickly before we remove the rear light is just to mask off the bodywork. To be honest, these are quite easy to remove compared to some, and so it's unlikely that you'll scratch anything getting these out. But for the sake of 20 or 30p in masking tape, it's worth just grabbing some standard masking tape. Just run this across the three edges. Again, you don't have to be super accurate, this is just to protection, and you don't need to stick it down mega sticky. Just like so. Most important one to protect is probably the bumper for this particular job. As you can see, it takes literally less than a minute to do this, and so it's probably better if you've got some masking tape lying around just to spend the 1 minute to do that than to risk scratching your bodywork. There we go. So quick mask up, and that'll help protect us when we remove this light. Okay, a couple of things to do very quickly before we remove the tail light. If you get into the boot space of your car and remove the side panel from the side that you're working on, and put that to one side. So next we're going to remove the bulb holder from the inside. If you have a quick look on the inside, you can actually see the inside of the rear light here. And we've got these black plastic arms. I've only got one on this one because the other one has obviously been snapped off in the past, but you should have another one on this side as well. So all you do is you'd reach in and pinch both together, but I'm just going to do this one, so I've only got the one. You push these black arms in so that they detach from the red outer sections, and then once those are both detached, if you gently wiggle the whole thing backwards towards you, the whole bulb plate will come out like so. So we'll just get that out of the way, put that to one side, and then we can focus on the fixings for the light itself. Okay, so looking on the inside here, you can see we've got these four little nuts that are holding the rear light in situ. So what you want to do, they're all size 10s. You just crack them off. It'll be quite easy to remove once you've loosened them. Like so, and access is a little bit limited depending on where you're working, so you might have to vary the length of the tools that you're working with. You'll find with a little bit of experimentation, you'll find kind of the right bits to get all four of these removed. So crack these off and remove all four of these, and then we can move on to the next stage. Okay, now what you want to do is first of all obviously put your hand on the outside of the tail light, so you don't want to push it out and it fall on the floor. And then basically they build up a bit of a seal over time. If you start to push the whole light a little bit, yeah, there you go. And one thing to note is you've got these little catches on either side. I went straight past that one on that side. How's the other one doing? Just release that one like so. And then we're ready to remove this from the car. So we'll just change the angle, and you can see it being removed from the outside. So we've just pushed it forward from the inside and got to this stage. This is why it's a good idea to put some kind of masking tape, just so you don't scuff the edges as it comes out. All you want to do is just draw the light forward like so, and that's it. That is your rear light completely removed and good to go.